friend. Today I'm tourism at Kale Waterfall. It's at Muang Hun district of Udom Sai province. Today it is good view. Here I'm just take the place. And there is my friend. It's very beautiful. If you have the time, you can come to visit here. You are welcome. Here are full by a general and have the big forest and the big tree. This is the first step of the Kale Waterfall. There I will move to step 2. Many people popular to come to visit here because it's very beautiful. Yeah. It's very beautiful. Therefore, but I don't know today this was food will have the fish. It is very high. Yes. Oh, that is my friend.